If you do take a look at this right now, you can see that I've made this amount right here with Adsterra right now. And guys, I made this amount using a self-clicking strategy, which you can also utilize even as a beginner on this platform. And utilizing that will enable you go on to earning some cool cash right there each and every single time you do this strategy with this platform called Adsterra. If you're not familiar with Adsterra right now, Adsterra guys is similar to CPA marketing platforms where you could get CPA marketing offers to go on to promoting, but it is quite much more easier to make money with Adsterra right here when compared to other platforms like CPA Grip right now, because of the fact that Adsterra actually goes on to having some direct links capability right here. And with direct links on Adsterra guys, such as this right now, you are actually going to get paid per click which you actually get to your Adsterra direct link. So I'm going to show you how you can do the self-clicking strategy right here and go on to making some cool cash online. Also guys, if you're new to my channel, I create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online. If you like such content, scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos that could help you boost your income online. Also make sure you're subscribed to the channel and your notification bell is on all to do get alerted whenever I release some videos that could help boost your income online. With that being said, and no more delay of time, let's dive right into the video of today. So basically what you want to do first of all is to come onto this platform called adsterra.com and go on to creating a simple account on this platform. And you will find out that Adsterra is an advanced advertising network with a unique partner care approach where you could actually acquire top traffic, monetize your traffic, or get CPA marketing offers to go on to promoting. If you do click on sign up right here, you will see that you could sign up either as an advertiser, as a publisher, or as an affiliate. If you are signing up as an advertiser, you can start promoting your brands or offers. If you're signing up as a publisher, you can monetize your traffic or websites or other traffic right now. If you are signing up as an affiliate, you need to get access to profitable CPA marketing offers to go on to promoting. So sign up as a publisher right now. It is quite important to do that. If you do sign up as a publisher right here, you can log into your account, come onto the direct link section, and you can see I have 3 direct links that are actually active right here. You can actually go on to creating one by clicking on create direct link. You could just simply select the non-adult right here to actually make sure that you remove erotic ads from your campaign right here. And you want to click on add and your direct link will be created, and it's going to take you about 2 minutes or so for the direct link to actually get approved and be active on this platform. And then you could actually head onto this section, copy the direct link, and go on to utilizing that to get clicks. And I'm going to show you a self-clicking strategy you could use to make such cool cash right now with this Adsterra direct link. So stick on to the end of this video to utilize this simple strategy. So next guys, you want to just simply use your mobile phone right here to go on to installing this particular browser, which is called the Kiwi browser right now on your mobile phone. And guys, we're going to head on to finishing the entirety of the video on our mobile devices right now. So let's dive right into our mobile phones. So guys, as you can see right now, I'm on my mobile device on that Kiwi browser. And if you do head onto this platform, you want to click on the 3 dots at the top right corner of your screen, go on to scrolling through and select the extension right now. If you do select that, you want to go on to selecting the From Store at the top left corner right there. If you do select that, it's going to go on to taking you to a new page, and that page right there is going to be the Chrome Web Store. So you just simply have to be patient for this to go on to loading up, and you will be brought to this Chrome Web Store, which you can actually do see right now. On this web store guys, you want to just simply go on to add in some cool extension, and you want to click on the search icon at the top of the screen right now, which you can actually do see right in this section. Select that, and you want to just simply go on to typing in the multiple URL opener. And if you do search for that right there, this is actually a very cool extension that goes on to opening a URL multiple times or multiple URL in a sequence right now. And you just need to go on to selecting the first option, which you can actually do see right now in this particular section. Once you do select the first option right now, it's going to take you to a page where you just simply have to go on to adding that extension to your Chrome browser or this particular browser. select the add to Chrome right now, and if you do select that, guys, this extension is going to be downloaded and added to your Chrome browser. And if you could see this section which says remove from Chrome, it's actually an indication that the extension has been added to your Chrome browser right now. So once this has actually been done, click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen once more. Go on to the extension page right now. If you do that right here, you can see right here that this is actually that exact same extension. Now you want to make sure the extension is activated by turning that on in that section right now. And once that has been activated, it's actually going to take you to the extension page right now, which is actually this right here. Once you're on this extension page, you just need to go on to pasting in your Adsterra direct link in this particular section. But before we do that, guys, we actually need to go ahead onto a new tab, because we intend on doing something that is quite amazing right now. On this new tab, just simply go on to searching for the text repeater right now. If you do go on to typing in the text repeater on this section and click on search, it's going to go on to showing you a series of search results, which you want to just simply select the first option right now. If you do select the first option, guys, it's actually going to go on to taking you to the textrepeater.com website, where you just want to go on to pasting in your Adsterra direct link, and this particular platform is going to go on to repeating that Adsterra direct link based on how many number of repetitions which you actually want. So you could put in the number of repetitions which you actually want, maybe 100, maybe 200, or any amount which you do want right there, and just simply select the repeat text. Right now you can see right there that the text has actually been repeated about 100 times right now. So once this has been repeated 100 times right there, all you need to do right now is to just simply click on copy text. Once you copy the text, head back to that your Chrome extension page right now on the Kiwi browser which you are actually using right now. And once you're back on this extension page, just simply going to paste in that right here. Once you paste that right now, you want to just simply put in the time which each URL will be opening after the other right now. As you can see right there, it says open each URL after 1 second. You can actually change that right there to any amount of time which you want, and it's actually going to be opening the URL sequentially after each maybe 5 seconds. Right now it's going to open the next URL after 5 seconds, the next after 5 seconds, and keep on going on and on. What you want to do right now is to just simply go on to clicking on save. Once you do go on to clicking on save right now, guys, once that has been saved, you want to just simply go on to clicking on open. And if you do click on open, it's actually going to go on to opening that particular URL from the top right there, starting from the first URL which was there. It's going to go on to opening that, and after every 5 seconds the next URL will be open, and all the URL right here is actually our Adsterra direct link. So you want to just be patient for that particular URL to go on to opening, and you do get paid per click for every single page that actually do go on to opening right now. So this is an amazing strategy which you want to just simply go on to utilizing. Now take note of the amount of tabs right here which are actually opened. You can see right now it's on 10. It's going to go on to increasing to 11, 12, and so on and so forth after every 5 seconds. So you want to just simply utilize that right there to make a lot of money online. Utilize this platform to make some cool cash online right now. As you can see, take advantage of this text repeater right now to repeat any URL which you actually want to do right now, maybe your URL to that particular Adsterra direct link, and make some cool cash right there using that exact same extension. And if the video was helpful to you, do smash the like button to the channel, subscribe to the channel, and also ensure your notification bell is turned on all. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.